In this question, H1n, H2n, H3n are impulse responses. We want to find the equivalent impulse responses of this system. Options are given. Now, look at these two blocks. We can reduce these two blocks, that is by H2n plus H3n. Here summation is plus. So, H2n plus H3n. Now, H1n is cascade with H2n plus H3n. So, we can draw H1n here. So, our block diagram is reduced to this one. So, this is X of n and Y of n. H1n convolution of H2n plus H3n. By using the distributive property of convolution, we can take convolution inside. So, this is equal to H1n convolution H2n plus H1n convolution H3n. So, the correct option is B. A system is described by a difference equation. We want to check whether the system is dynamic, memoryless, time varying or non-linear system. Since this is a difference equation, here all the coefficients are constant. The value of the coefficient here is 1 and here is minus 4. So that is a linear time invariant system. So option C is wrong. Now this is a linear difference equation. So the system is linear. Option D non-linear, this is also wrong. Now we want to check whether it is dynamic or memoryless system. Dynamic system means a system having memory to store the past values. Now let us check the value of y of n when n is equal to 0. So y of 0, that is equal to x of 0 minus 3 minus 4 times x of 0 minus 7. So this is equal to x of minus 3 minus 4 times x of minus 7. So the value of output at n is equal to 0 depends on the past value. So that depends on the values of x of minus 3 and x of minus 7. So system should have some memory to store this past element. So this is a dynamic system. So this option D is also wrong. So correct option is A. A dynamic system means a system having memory, and a memoryless system means a static system. Okay. In this question, find the value of x of 0 of the sawtooth signal. Options are given. So for all integer value of n, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, the function or the signal is discontinuous. So the value of signal at x of 0 or x of 1, x of 2 or for any integer can be obtained by taking the average value. That means x of 0, that is equal to 0 plus a by 2. That is equal to a by 2. So option C is the correct answer. This is same as x of 1 is same as x of 2 is equal to x of minus 1 and so on. So for any integer values, the value of this signal is the average of 0 and a, that is a by 2. In this question, h of t is an impulse response of a causal linear time invariant continuous time system. Then we want to find output of the system for any input x of t in terms of convolution. Since this is a causal system, so the value of signal x of t, that is equal to 0 for t less than 0. So the value of convolution, that will starting from 0. So this option is wrong, then this option is also wrong. Since this is a causal linear time invariant continuous time system, so the convolution is 0 to t x of tau h of t minus tau d tau. So B is the correct option.